Hi, and welcome back to the GrooveFunnels Fast Start training. I have some good news because I made another cool software work. So right now, if I go to here, get the free course, basically what happens is it will redirect to this link here. And then if people click on continue with Google or continue with Facebook, I will automatically gather their emails it will automatically add their emails to GrooveFunnels to GrooveMail basically. So if we go here and open GrooveMail, you will see, let's see, open in a new link. Oh, my login is expired, so I will just need to log in again. So you will see some pretty cool things. So email marketing, GrooveMail. And now if we go to lists, you see I have 5 contacts. And if I go to leads, here my virtual assistant logged in with Facebook and with Google, and this worked for him, so he can register with this email, and the emails will be directly imported to GrooveFunnels. And the software I used for this is called BoostLink. So this is an opt-in creation tool. I will put a link to this below the video because I do not know what kind of, I do not even know how much this is. Like they have plans here. It costs right now, let's see, $19 per month for 500 leads. But I only did this because GrooveMail, like the forms are still a little bit hard to deal with, but I found a way how to make this work right now that's good enough, and that I want to show you right now, because I want you to be able to do this just with GrooveFunnels. So basically what we need to do is to create a pop-up here. So like for this page, let's go back here and then go to pop-ups. Here you can see I already created 2, and then let's go through the process again. Basically you will need to add a new pop-up here, and then you go here, add this one, and here I need to log in obviously to GrooveFunnels again as well. So we will just do that. And now we go to GroovePages. And then going to our branding app website. Okay. Here we need to create pop-ups, and then I will just show you this again because I spent quite some time figuring this out myself and testing different things and going through this. So this looks good already, right? So I will just delete this button, and then I will need to add from GrooveMail. We need to go to our forms, and in the forms you can find your code here. If you click on action, get code, and then we will simply select the JavaScript code, click next, copy this, and then we go back here, and here we need to go to elements, scroll back down, and then embed the code here. And then once we embed the code, we click on this box, click on this, I do not know the name for English, but this wheel, and then we just enter the text, click save, and now we should be able to see first name and email. And yesterday I had some problem where this field was populated with email, and that's why it did not work. And then next thing I will do is here cancel, and I will just copy and paste this headline. I just want people to know that they're still in the right place. So I will just use the same headline, and then what I will do is make sure that the text is the same that we use throughout the whole template. So we will use Montserrat, and then here we will also use Montserrat, and then just type in, enter your name and email to get instant access. So, and below this there's also some words like 100% free. If you have any questions, reach out to me on Facebook, so people know that I'm a real person. I think this is one of the biggest things that people neglect, and like you want to be approachable for people, because yeah, this whole funnel stuff is great if you're dealing with thousands of customers, but in the beginning, and for most people watching this course, it's like you want to be approachable and make it easy for people to reach you, and this is what I try to do here. Not sure if this works, not split tested and everything, but I just feel it's the most genuine approach here. So once we're done, we click save and exit. So we have our pop-up, which is basically pop-up number 3. And then we just click on the button, click configure, go to pop-up, and then click this pop-up that we just created, which is pop-up number 3. We have different options for the pop-up, like where they are displayed. So if you want to make any changes here, just click to edit, and then you can select if this should be like an entry pop-up or an exit pop-up, which makes a lot of sense to have an exit pop-up at some point. And then show on every visit, or like pop-up behavior. Like I think it's pretty cool to have something like this, but we will not do that here. So basically what you need to do then is configure all the pop-ups for all the button on this page, and then once you're done, you need to test that this works in GrooveMail.